We'll guide you through how to enable automatically downloading a PDF instead of opening in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Chrome. So it can go and be frustrating that Chrome goes and opens up PDFs instead of just going and downloading them, as you may not want to go and look at them immediately. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure to see full guide and don't go and skip ahead, because otherwise you may go miss an important part of this video. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you want to do is just come to Chrome and come to the top right. There you'll go and find the three dots you want to go and click on, and you'll get a list of options. So come down and find settings at the bottom, like so. Now what you need to do is you want to come over to the left and find the option privacy and security. You can then come down the list here and go and find the option for site settings, like so. Then what you want to do is go down and you want to come into content here and find additional content settings and scroll down and find PDF documents. Click there. So what you can do is you can see sites sometimes publish PDFs like documents, contracts, and forms, and you can choose the default behavior. So at the moment it's set to open PDFs, but we want to go and download them. So you can click that there.